Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, over here, looking just cute, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Hikadon BOOZHOO ini Mushain. Say hello to this lot. BOOZHOO, everybody! How you doing? Hey, Jessica Waboos is here. Hey, BOOZHOO, Jessica. How you doing, sweetie? Oh, I'm doing great. I like the cartoon background. Yeah. It's so bright and vibrant. It makes me feel like I'm on a cartoon. I keep expecting Bugs Bunny to come running out or something. So yeah, how you guys doing? Daniel Black is here. BOOZHOO, good morning. Good morning, America, he says. How are ye? Good morning, America. How are ye? And Brandy Marie is here. BOOZHOO, Brandy Marie. Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. Brandy's here, sweetie. BOOZHOO, Brandy. BOOZHOO, Daniel. Yeah. So here we are on another Tuesday. Tuesday, the second day. Yep. Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday. If you go to the taco shop, you get 2 tacos for the price of 1. It is Taco Tuesday. At your local Joe's Taco Shack. You get this far north and they no longer use Hispanic names. You know. You can't find enough Mexican people to make authentic Mexican restaurants. So it's like, come to Harold's Taco Store for real authentic Minnesota tacos. Or come to a powwow. You can get an Indian taco. Ugh, Indian. No, thank you. I'll take mine with shredded beef, please. Ground beef, please, for me. I'm not sure who's eating all the Indians. But as for me, I think I'll pass on the Indian taco. No, thank you, I say. Huh, sweetie? I don't think that's what's on an Indian taco. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Anyway. Okay, hey. BOOZHOO. And welcome to the show about Ojibwe language and culture. Today's word of the day, or Ojibwe word day for the word for the day. I don't know what I'm trying to say. The word for Tuesday is Nijo Gijagud. Second day. Tuesday. Nijo. You got your Beijig. You got your Nij. 1 and 2. Beijig, Nij. But if you want to say second, instead of saying today, you say Nijo. Nijo Gijagud. Second day. Huh, sweetie? That's right. You tell him. Yeah. So don't come at me with your, oh no, this is the third day. No, it's the second day. Yeah, I get it. You know, sometimes I get so tired of having to fight with people about this Tuesday. Are you okay, sweetie? Yeah. I mean, I will be, babe. You will be? Yeah. Sometimes a man's just got to face his demons. Yeah, huh? Well, I'm right behind you, sweetie. Thank you. You are the wind beneath my wings. Yeah, that's right. 'Cause you are the wind beneath my wings. Oh, wow. It's like angels just sing through you. That's what I like to believe. 'Cause did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I can fly higher than Megazee. Megazee's eagle in Ojibwe. That's right. All right, kids. Megazee, eagle. Do we have Megazee up here yet? We had him on the line a couple days ago. He might still be here. Let me look. No. We still got Hitler's number in here. Let's not talk to Hitler today. You don't want to call Adolf? No. It's my show and I don't even get that humor. Hey, Papa Wagosh is here. BOOZHOO, Papa Wagosh. Did you catch the Ojibwe word of the day? It's Tuesday because it's Tuesday today. And don't forget it's Taco Tuesday. 2 tacos for the price of 1. I mean, you can't beat that. That's economics. It is economics. Yeah. I mean, I never studied economics in college per se. Not per se. No. But I think I know what I'm talking about. And if I didn't, I would talk about it anyway. Yeah. Yeah. So what else? I don't know. I was thinking about calling Michelle Obama. Yeah. That would have been funny. Just get to the bottom of this whole, If you guys don't know what she's talking about, there's a lot of, it's just silly. I'm not saying it's true. This is a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay. This is not, quantum of consciousness. This is not chalk body outline. We're not going down the rabbit holes of conspiracy theories here. We're a light. Really, if you wanted to say anything, we're an educational show that uses, cartoons and comedy and music to teach language. That's what we are. But occasionally, we find Natasha is referring to something that's been going around on the internet that I don't want to spread. I don't think it's nice. And at the same time, by playing by their rules, what's wrong with it? It's not insulting. But some people want to say that maybe the former First Lady maybe could have been possibly born a man. Do you think she was born a man, sweetie? I would have no way of knowing, She does seem to have pretty broad shoulders. That's all I'm saying. Yeah. And twice Barack called her Michael. I can't explain it. Right. So we're thinking about calling Michelle and getting to the bottom of it. And but I decided, you know what? Let's leave her alone. Who cares? And I'm glad we took the high road. We could call Barack Obama and ask him. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, hang on. Let's see. I have to Google his number. All right. We're going to call Barack Obama, and we'll just ask him about Michelle. I don't want to embarrass the First Lady. Yeah. You're good that way. Thanks, sweetie. Taking the high road. Okay, here's his number. All right, it's ringing. Where'd you call him? His private home address. Hello, is this Barack Obama? Hi, my name is Natasha, and I'm calling from the BOOZHOO the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Right. Yeah, the one about Ojibwe. Say, would you like to be on the show today? Okay, hang on. All right, sweetie, he's on line 2. All right. Hello, Mr. Obama. Welcome to the show. Hello there. NANABOOZHOO. How you doing, Mr. President? Well, I'll tell you. I'm doing very, very well. Yeah, great. Say, quick question. Don't want to take too much of your time. And I mean no disrespect, of course, but we're living in the age where this isn't insulting, because there's nothing. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I guess that's what I'm saying. Go ahead, son. I'll answer any question you have. Okay. So Michelle Obama, we were just talking here, and a lot of people are talking like Michelle might actually be a man. Is your wife a dude? Oh, well, let me tell you something, NANABOOZHOO. Michael and I, what I mean to say, Michelle and I, we've heard those stories before. Yeah. And, well, it's just kind of funny. Don't you think? Yeah, it is kind of funny. And so, no, Michelle is not let me assure you, and the American people, yeah, Michelle is a woman. Okay. Well, that's cool. Either way, we as Americans, we don't care. Okay. Hold on just one second, NANABOOZHOO. Yes, my love. What can I do for you? Who is that fool? I'm talking to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Yeah, well, you better make my breakfast. Okay, Michelle. I better get going, NANABOOZHOO. Who is that? Nobody? All right, I'll let you go, Brock. Okay, well, how is it again? You say, I will see you again? Giga min. Minoa. Well then, sir. Giga min. Minoa. Hey, that's really good. All right, we'll see you later, Brock. Well, there you go. Mystery solved, huh? Yeah. Although, who was that dude in the room with him? Yeah, I don't know. Somebody wanted his breakfast made. But there you go. Oh, wow, Missy's here. BOOZHOO, Missy. Missy, we just got to the bottom of it. Michelle Obama's a lady. So, I guess I'm glad we cleared that up. All right. Nijo Gija good. Second day. Hey, Wisani's here. BOOZHOO Wisani. Welcome back to the show. We're just talking about politics. And I don't know how these rumors get started. It's really strange, isn't it? I know. I mean, before the internet, there were still rumors, but there wasn't like a new one every day. Yeah. Just strange. I mean, they want to call them conspiracy theories because they don't want people talking like this, but it's just a rumor. It's a theory. You heard a rumor, and you piece stuff together, and you kind of go, oh, that's weird. Could the first lady be the first gentleman, But anywho, today's Ojibwe or gibberish cartoon. Oh, good. You're going to do the gibberish cartoon? Yeah, why not? Today's a gibberish cartoon by Michael Lyons. Oh, wow. Look at this. BOOZHOO Dibik Jesus. There's a little squirrel there in the moonlight. BOOZHOO Dibik Jesus. Hello, moon. Good night, moon. Good night, dresser drawer. Good night, floorboards. Or whatever that book is. I've always thought Michael, you know what you should do? What's that? You should write an Ojibwe Goodnight Moon. Yep, that would probably sell. I don't know why we haven't done that yet. But here's the gibberish cartoon. BOOZHOO Dibik Jesus. And in the language, what he's saying is hello. It's actually hello night sun, which is sort of strange. Here's an OJIBWE, a red squirrel, and he's red because of the red highlights. He's sort of a, candy apple red, but red squirrels and OJIBWE, made popular by Michael's other book, BOOZHOO OJIBWE, available now on Amazon.com. Click the link. What, I got to tell you this every day? And then there's BOOZHOO, and a lot of people don't know this. They say, oh, what does that BOOZHOO mean? Do you mean bonjour? Are you saying the French hello? What, are you speaking French at me now? I was like, no. That's our word for hello. BOOZHOO. And yeah, I know bonjour is how we butchered a French language in Minnesota. Apparently French people, they say bonjour like BOOZHOO. I know, isn't that strange? Yeah, it's a mystery. Maybe we stole BOOZHOO from the French. You think? Yeah, what did we say before that? We probably said anin. Yeah, probably. Anyway, he's saying, hello, night sun, Dibik Jesus. because the moon rules the night. It is the lesser light to rule the night. In the Bible, it says, Kitchimanadu, he put the sun and the moon in the sky there. One to rule the day. He called it Jesus. And one to rule the night. The Dibik Jesus. They're both Jesuses. But this one rules the night. The Dibik. Dibikon. Huh, sweetie. That's right. So don't come at me with this. Oh, that's French. No. This is from the Algonquin language. This is from Ojibwe Moan. And I'm not going to stand here and let you disrespect our language. Who are you talking to? I have no idea. Okay. So there you go. BOOZHOO Dibik and a Gibberish by Michael Lyons. Excuse me, honey. What? Let's pretend you're in the studio and I'm outside. Okay. Excuse me. Yes, sweetie, I hear you loud and clear from ground control. Oh, good. I would like to beam home now. Okay, let me find your coordinates. All right, locking on the coordinates. 1 to beam back to the studio. Okay, sweetie. 1 to beam to the studio. Wait, whoops. I screwed that up. All right, let's try that again. Sweetie, 1 to beam to the studio. Okay, catching your coordinates and 1 to beam home. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. No problem. I don't know what happened that first time. Yeah. These teleporters are kind of glitchy. You're not quite sure all the time, but I think it's well worth the risk. I mean, what am I going to walk all the way in from outside? What am I, a chump? You're no chump. Yeah. So I prefer to take the risk of being, disintegrated if it saves me a couple of steps. That's really wise. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Okay. So here we are, inside. How are you guys doing? Who else is here? Papa Wagosh sounded like Mr. T Fool. What if Barack Obama's got a thing on the side with Mr. T? I pity the fool. Stay in school. I pity the fool. Drops out of school. I fought Rocky once. I called myself Clubber Lang. Why didn't he just go by Mr. T? I don't know. Remember that when Mr. T was in a Rocky movie? I mean, I love Rocky, but boy, they really jumped the shark. You got Mr. T and Hulk Hogan fighting Rocky. Eventually, there's kind of a self-aware robot that Rocky buys Paulie. One by one, the whole cast dies off. It becomes a thing where in Rocky, there's got to be a moment where he's crying over somebody dies. It's like, yeah, the first time that was really, when Mick died, we didn't see it coming. We were like, oh, wow, that's sad. Look at that big tough guy crying over his old ancient Mick. It worked. But then, oh no. Now Apollo Creed is dead. Oh no, now Adrian's dead. Oh no. One by one. They're going to release a Rocky movie where it's after Rocky died. It'll just be his descendants fighting for the championship. I don't know, man. Da-da-da, la-dee-da, la-la-la, la-la-la, ba-da-dum-ba-dum-bum. That was the other cool thing about that movie. What's that? The theme song would change with the mood. If it was like a pensive moment, it would go da da da. You'd be like picking up a book or a picture or something. Da da da. Da 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 da. But then the morning of the big, workout, da 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 la da 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 ba bum ba da ba ba da ba la di da OJIBWE. OJIBWE is red squirrel. BOOZHOO, OJIBWE is a book you can buy with Junia. Anyway. You have such a lovely voice, sweetie. It's a blend of proper breath, phlegm and saliva, and emotion. Today's lesson on singing. Anyway, Daniel Black says, I've written all these before, so no writing words today. Yeah. Whatever that means. Sweetie. Yeah? You get another call. Oh, really? All right, let me get rid of these, the text. That's just distracting. Caller. Let's see. Who do I want to talk to? Caller, you're on the air. Hello, love. Well, hello there, Queen of England. How are you? Oh, I'm a right mess, I am. You're a right mess? Oh, it's a bloody shame, it is. What's the matter? Why, I was watching your program. Yeah? So, and? You had that rapscallion Barack Obama on your show, you did? Yeah, we had Obama. He was our former president, He's kind of like our king. Or former king or something. Well, he's a liar, he is. What do you mean he's a liar? I know for a fact that Michelle Obama is a man, he is. How would you know if Michelle Obama is a man? I just take a look at that bloke. Why, he's a man if ever I'd seen one, I did. So it's just your opinion. You don't have any proof. What proof do I need? That's a 6'6", 250-pound black man, I tell you. Well, number one, I don't think she's that tall or heavy. And, women sometimes, don't they get more testosterone or they lose estrogen or something when they get older? Oh, really? Is that a fact? Well, I don't know. I'm asking. Well, look at me. I'm still as youthful and as feminine as I was when I was a spring chicken, I am. Yeah, you look great. For your age. What's that supposed to mean? You think I'm not still as beautiful as I once was? Do you think my face has grown old and wrinkly? Oh, I tell you, my heart breaks to hear that. My heart breaks, I tell you! Yeah, okay. Easy. I'm not saying anything. And who cares? I think you're kind of preoccupied with his youth and beauty. I mean, what are you trying to compete with, Megan? Oh, don't even mention her name! I don't even want to think about that little... I can't even say the word. Thank you. This is a children's show. But you don't like Megan? No, I don't like Megan. She calls me a racist. Yeah. What'd you say anyway to make her so mad? I didn't say nothing. I said nothing, I did. Well, you must have said something. I just asked what color her babies were going to be. Were they going to be the pure white race of her father's side? Or were they going to be some sort of weird mixed mutt like her? Well, maybe that's why she didn't like... Maybe she thought that was rude. Well, I never. Well, I know. But, whatever. Well, still, I'm her elder. She should respect her elder. She should. Yeah, I'm with you. Actually, I give you a pass. I don't even care what you say. How old are you? You're not really with the times anymore. I think she should just, let it slide. Sometimes your elders are going to say stuff that's not all politically correct, huh? That's right. I grew up in a different time. Oh, when I was her age, I owned 3 black boys myself. Okay. Look, I better get going before you get me in trouble. What? What'd I say? Nothing. I don't think I should talk. We should talk about you owning people. What? Oh, guess that's not politically correct anymore. No, not anymore. Oh, okay. Well, say, NANABOOZHOO, can I ask you for a favor? Well, I gotta go. Well, just wondering if I could teach the Ojibwe word of the day as a twa. No, we already have one. It's Tuesday. Nijo Gija good. Tuesday? Oh, that's your word of the day? Yeah. You do that every Tuesday. Well, yeah, but, sometimes people like to be remembered. I won't always do it, but, And then we also had the gibberish cartoon. Oh, gibberish my foot! Okay, well, what Ojibwe word would you like to teach? Well, let's see then. I would like to teach the word for queen. Well, what's a queen in Ojibwe? Well, it'd be an Ogama-Kwe, wouldn't it? Yeah, Ogama-Kwe. Ogama is kind of our word for a leader, and Ikwe. Yeah, Ikwe would be a female leader, isn't it? Yes. Ogama-Kwe. So there you go. You happy? Oh, it warms me old heart, like the black coal of my heart. It's been lit, and I feel warm inside. I feel warm inside, I do. Okay, great. Listen, Queen, I gotta go. All right, then. Hey, how do you say I will see you again? You say, Gigawaba Min. Gigawaba Min! Minowa. Minowa. Oh, I like that. Okay, good. All right, I'll see you later, Queen. All right, goodbye, then. All right, goodbye. Queen of England, sweetie. Yeah, it sounds like she's been watching the show. Yeah. Yeah, she's a character. But God save the Queen. That's what I say. So you don't think that Meghan should be all upset about possible racism in the, what do they call it, the Buckingham Palace? Nah. Number one, I'm sure, I'm positive that the royal family sometimes says some less than, not racist terms, whatever. Who cares? But especially the Queen, she's 106 for crying out loud. People of her generation, they'll say dumb stuff sometimes. They're from another time. And the Queen surrounds herself by people who will never correct her. Back in the 80s when, they were rolling out the new rules and how to dance around, sensitive subjects like race and gender or whatever. The Queen wasn't in those trainings. She didn't learn about sensitivity. So I think that Meghan needs to, honor her elders a little better. Yeah, I guess I'm with you on that. Give her a pass. She's old. Yeah. I mean, sure. She's probably a vampire transgender too, but, she's still our elder. She's the Ogama-Kwe of England. United Kingdom, you better bring them. You've a solution, you better bring them. United Kingdom, United Kingdom. There's rusted, busted, upper crusted, rusted, busted, done and dusted. No man to be trusted. I'm slowly building up my repertoire of words, and little by little, I'm using them on some of my pages. Nice. And that's pretty much what I've done. I strut around here like I'm a fluent speaker, but all it really is, years of piecing together little phrases here and there until I sound like some old fluent speaker, And then like an elder comes up to me and starts speaking, somebody who grew up with a language, and I'm all, slow down. What are you saying now? Something about happy to meet, what? Papa goes, nudge, nudge. Know what I mean? Say no more. Know what I mean? Nudge, nudge. Wink, wink. Know what I mean? Say no more. Jessica says, how do you marry into the royal family that has literally subjugated millions of people for centuries? And then be like, oh my God, they're racist. Like, has Megan never picked up a history book? Yeah, she's totally shocked. What? Megan. Boy, she's looking pretty rugged these days, too. Well, she's pregnant. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I think she's about ready to give birth any day. Oh, I was going to say. I saw her spouting off about some feminist claptrap. And I looked at her and was like, holy man, did she gain 30 pounds? Oh, yeah, she's going to have a baby. Oh, okay. Well, hey, congratulations, Megan. I know you watched the show. So hope you have a wonderful, wonderful little baby. A baby is a joy to every family edition. And to Prince Charming, Prince Harry? I think it's Prince Harry. To whoever you're married to, Megan, congratulations, sir. And my condolences for being married to your wife. But, hey, you got a baby out of it, so it's your own fault. No turning back now. You look really bad. You got to see this through now. All your friends warned you, don't marry her. And you were like, why? Because she's part black? You racist? And your buddies were like, no, because she's going to make you quit hunting, sell your guns, to turn you against your family. She's going to make you quit being a prince. Dude, run to the hills. And Prince Harry, or whatever his name is, he's like, nah, it'll be fine. I'm going to marry this girl. She was on a TV show. And Megan was one of those girls who was like at her cutest at like 18. You think? Yeah. Megan's getting less cute every day that goes by. She's losing that youthful charm, glow. Megan's going to look like Michelle Obama before this is all over. So yeah. What do you think, sweetie? Oh, I don't know. Did you want to get up here? I could. Do we have a song? Oh, you know what? I think we might have a song. Daniel Black says, I'm binge watching The Crown. It's all about the royals. I'm enjoying it. The Crown. Have you seen The Crown, sweetie? No, I haven't seen it yet. Maybe we should check it out. Yeah, but we don't have Netflix. Maybe we should get Netflix. Yeah, I suppose. Daniel Black says, Papa, Monty Python, methinks. Yeah, pretty much everything I know about England I learned from Monty Python. Monty Python and the original Office. They had English people on there. David Bowie. I didn't learn much about England in school. I learned it all from like pop music. England, Bowie, Queen, Led Zeppelin. Who else was English? The Beatles, The Who. These were my teachers of what England was. One Shakespeare play. This is what kind of informs my imagination when I think about England. Oh, and Peep Show. The TV show? Yeah. There's a sitcom called Peep Show that I binged watched, and became addicted to for about a year. Watched all 12 seasons or whatever. Every day, like Peep Show. Papa Gosh says, run to the hills. Run for your lives. Remember when we did that song? How's that go? White man came across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. We fought him hard. We fought him well out on the plains. We gave him heck. But many came, too much for Cree. That's a song about the Cree, huh, honey? Yeah! Many came, too much for Cree. Oh, will we ever be set free? Da 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 da. Riding through dust clouds and barren waste. Iron Maiden, man. Iron Maiden. I think they're from England too, huh? Yeah! England or Ireland or somewhere. Yeah. Run to the hills. Are you being served on PBS? Laugh Out Loud, great show. Oh yeah, You Being Served. I forgot about that one. That was another one. It's always PBS has to introduce us in the Midwest to England. Jessica says, I'm officially a lady now. I was given a little green square of land in Scotland for Mother's Day. Oh, I heard about that. I'm making you my groundskeeper because you're the only person I know in Scotland. Oh, she must be talking to Daniel. Jessica, Lady Waboos owns land in Scotland. Oh, well, la-di-da, me lady. Methinks thou art a lady, Noongum. Now. Sunny day. So anyway, we're going to play a song. All right. So yeah, England, the Queen of England. What have we learned today so far? We've learned that the second day is Nijogijikut. And we learned that an OJIBWE is a red squirrel and that a Debik Jesus is the moon. And I think that's enough of me. Why do you think it's enough of you? I've had it about up to here with me. Okay. So here's a song of me singing with Natasha and Michael. And I don't remember which song it is. Oh, I do. This will probably get us flagged for copyright. But I want to know what happens. So, here's a song for the BOOZHOO crew. Showing up every day. And, keeping us company. And now I know. And now I know. Spanish Harlem are not just pretty words to say. I thought I knew, but now I know that rose trees never grow here in Bemidji until you've seen this trash can dream come true. You stand at the edge while people run you through. And I thank the Lord there's people out there like you. Thank the Lord for the people out there like you. While Mona Lisas and Mad Hatter's sons, the bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, but they can, and that is why. They know not if it's dark outside or light. This Broadway's got a lot of songs to sing. If I knew the tunes, I might join in. I'll go my way alone, grow my own seed shall be sown here in Bemidji. Subway's no way for a good man to go down. Rich man can ride, and the hobo he can drown. I thank the Lord for the people I have found. I thank the Lord for the people I have found. While Mona Lisas and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, what they can, and that is why. They know not if it's dark outside or light. Now I know Spanish Harlem are not just pretty words to say. I thought I knew, but now I know that rose trees never grow here in Bemidji. Subway's no way for a good man to go down. Rich man can ride, and the hobo he can drown. Thank the Lord for the people I have found. Thank the Lord for the people I have found. While Mona Lisas and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sight, what they can, and that is why. They know not if it's dark outside or light. They know not if it's dark outside or light.
That's such a sweet song.
Yeah.
They know not if it's dark outside or light. BOOZHOO! Elton John. So, I don't know how that works. I think we're not going to get a copyright strike because we sang it. But it seems like when we sing a cover song, we get a notice that the record company is going to be taking all our money. So, whatever. La, la, la. Good thing we don't have many viewers.
That's right.
We just got the cool group. We just got the Breakfast Club here. So, yeah. So, BOOZHOO, everybody. BOOZHOO, Papa Wagosh, Daniel Black, Jessica Wabooz. Papa Wagosh says, they need lighter emoji so I can hold it up. Yeah, exactly. Papa Wagosh remembers the old days when people had cigarette lighters at concerts. Now people just hold up their phones. Hey, look, here's a light. Why don't you just bring a flashlight? Do you suppose flashlights went out of business when everybody had a flashlight on their phone?
That's a good question. Like just your standard, flashlight? Probably.
Yeah.
I'm sure cameras all went out of business when phones took over the world.
Yeah, cameras probably went out of business. Flashlights. The photograph stores, remember that? When there'd be like, oh, Sherling Photography. Drop off your little plastic, thing. And in 2 weeks, you can come back and get these 12 photographs for $30. So those guys all went out of business.
Yeah.
They know not if it's dark outside or light. How you doing, Michael?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you?
Not too bad. So, do you think Michelle Obama's a dude?
Well, I do, but who am I? Who cares what I think?
I care. I care a lot. I care a heck of a lot.
Well, thanks.
Get just passionate about something stupid. What you think? What do you guys think? I, for one, care about your opinions. Is Michelle Obama a man? Is Barack Obama a man? They know not if it's dark outside or light. So you know what I was thinking about today?
What's that?
What if there was a conversation between Mount Rushmore and Crazy Horse? What would that sound like?
Between in South Dakota?
Yeah.
Well, should we check it out?
Okay. Can you dial up Crazy Horse for me?
Hold on here. Okay. This is so stupid. It's ringing. Hello. Crazy Horse Monument in South Dakota. Hi, this is NANABOOZHOO from the NANABOOZHOO podcast. Yeah, that's right. Say, can I put you on the show? All right. Sweetie?
Yeah?
Crazy Horse is on line 2.
Line 2. Hello, Crazy Horse Monument. Welcome to the show.
Me, Crazy Horse.
Me, Crazy? What are you doing?
Me, like your show.
Oh, thank you so much.
Me, watch every day.
Oh, that's great. So, how are things going?
Me, sad.
Why are you so sad?
Me, only face.
Well, yeah, but look at all those people. They're working to build you.
They no work fast enough.
They don't work fast enough?
No, been working for 40 years. Get let out.
Yeah, they probably should get the let out.
Me no appreciate how slow they are.
You don't appreciate how slow they are?
No, look at Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore built in 4 years.
Yeah. That's true, but aren't you a lot bigger than Mount Rushmore?
No longer care. Tell people. Finish job started in 1970s.
Yeah, they did start a long time ago. And they haven't, But hey, the face is pretty good.
Me think. Should have made. Crazy Horse. Smiling.
You wanted to be smiling?
Yes. Statue make Crazy Horse. Seem mad.
Yeah, it does, huh? But I don't know. I can't really picture it with a big old smile.
Maybe not too late.
You don't think it's too late?
They still could add teeth.
Yeah, maybe they could just add kind of a Joker smile. That may be kind of funny.
Now you talking.
Okay. Well, hey, we just wanted to call and to say hi. I went and visited you once when I was a little girl.
Me no remember.
Well, yeah. But they haven't seemed to make much progress since in all these years. I don't know why.
Makes me think. Mount Rushmore maybe took longer to build.
Yeah, maybe the story of Mount Rushmore maybe it wasn't that easy. What do you think? Sweetie, what do you think? Should we call up Mount Rushmore?
Yeah, we could.
Okay, hold on a second, Crazy Horse. Let's get Mount Rushmore on the line.
All right, it's ringing. Hello, who am I talking to here? Hey, George Washington, how you doing? Yeah, this is NANABOOZHOO from the NANABOOZHOO podcast. And we're wondering if we could put you on the air. We have a live stream podcast. Yeah, okay, hold on. I'm gonna pet you over to our lovely and talented Natasha. Nah. All right, hang on. All right. Sorry. All right, sweetie. Line 2.
Okay, thanks. Line 2. Hello, George Washington from the Mount Rushmore Monument. Welcome to the show.
Oh, yes, hello. I am George Washington, the founding father of the country.
Oh, yeah. Hey, it's really great to have you on the show.
Yes, I watch your show all the time. What can I do for you, Natasha?
Well, I was just talking to Crazy Horse here, and we were just sort of comparing, Crazy Horse, this is 40, 50 years, whatever, 40 years of effort, and they built you in like a summer or something, huh?
Yes, well, I'll be honest with you. That's what Wikipedia says. Wikipedia says some man named Borglum with a chisel and a hammer and some dynamite carved my beautiful face. But that's not true. You know, the face you're looking at, this beautiful face, George Washington, this is much older than what they say.
Is that right?
Yeah, the Lakota people used to call us the 6 grandfathers.
6 grandfathers? But there's only 4 of you.
Well, yeah, they blew up the other 2 guys.
Really? There were 2 other guys?
Yeah, they were sitting right next to me, and they blew their faces right off the mountain. It was a disgrace, I tell you.
Oh. Well, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, well, at least I'm still standing. You know, it's like that Elton John song.
What Elton John song?
Don't you know, I'm still standing, better than I ever did. Well, better than that Crazy Horse, tell you that much.
Well, I don't think you need to compare.
Yeah, you know, whatever. I'm a founding father. What did Crazy Horse do? He's most famous for dying.
Yeah, okay. But he was like a leader of the Dakota people.
A leader of the Dakota? Nobody's ever led the Dakota people. You know, leader. They don't even have a photograph of the guy. How do they know that's him?
Well, I don't know. Somebody must have thought that's what he looked like.
Yeah, it's a travesty.
Okay. Say, one more question.
Yeah, what do you want to know, sweet cheeks?
Is it true you never lied?
Well, what can I tell you? I've never lied before and I'll never lie again.
What do you mean?
That's a lie. What, do you believe everything you read?
No.
All right. Hey, listen, sweetheart, I gotta get going.
Why?
I'm gonna go do some canoeing over a frozen pond.
Oh, like that painting.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, God bless America.
Okay. See you later, George. Huh. You still there, Crazy Horse?
Me no like, paleface.
Hey, that's racist. Okay, I gotta go, Chief Crazy Horse.
Me say, Kikawa min, Minowa.
Oh, thank you so much. You know, Kikawa min Minowa. Well, there you have it. Mount Rushmore, George Washington, and Crazy Horse on the same show. I don't think that's ever happened to a talk show before.
I think we're the first.
Huh. Well, there you have it, folks. The podcast about national monuments, history. I have always had kind of a, what's it called? I'm not overly impressed with the Crazy Horse Monument people. You know, there was some political stuff when that thing got started. A lot of the descendants didn't want them doing it. They don't really know what Crazy Horse looks like. It's kind of your standard, stereotypical, grimacing Indian. But someday they may finish that big old statue of Crazy. Hey, that's another thing. Quit calling him crazy. He was just a little eccentric. He was on the spectrum. He's not crazy. He was just a little depressed. He was getting wiped out by the, European invaders. Run to the hills, cried Crazy Horse. Carve my face long after I'm dead on that mountain over there. Run to Mount Rushmore if you want to see a cool big old statue of white people. Quit dogging this fantastic thing of art. Here, hold on. Let me get rid of me. Bleep.
Yeah, sweetie, what do you need?
Honey, will you teleport me away from Mount Rushmore?
Yeah, I don't know how you got out there in the first place.
Okay, hang on. I'll hang on.
All right, you hang on. 1 to teleport away from Mount Rushmore.
Okay, so I don't know where I am now. Oh, I'm way up here at the top. Can you guys see me? Oh, I'm too small. Well, hi, everybody. I'm way up on top of, I guess this is Roosevelt, on top of his head, but I'm just a little speck, so you can't see me. Hi. And anyway, so here's Mount Rushmore. Everybody likes to dog Mount Rushmore. Oh, the evil founding fathers and all the lies of history and whatever. And I have no idea how they did this. I don't believe it was done with a hammer and a chisel and some dynamite. I don't really believe it was that. The KKK member, white supremacist dude called Borglum or something. Some Freemason who took credit for this. I don't know. It's a mystery. But I wouldn't care if this was a giant statue of a puppy dog. I'd be like, wow, how'd they do that? That's awesome. All right, sweetie. Can you teleport me home?
Yeah, sure, honey.
1 to teleport back from the top of the head of Mount Rushmore.
All right, 1 to teleport. Getting your coordinates. Don't move.
Thank you, sweetie. I don't know what happened there. Yeah, Mount Rushmore. I think it's kind of underrated. I think it'd be really hard. I think if Crazy Horse teaches us one thing, that thing, I don't know, it was like the 70s. We went out there in like the mid-70s. In my memory, they were already done with the face. And they had a little statue that's, we're going to carve the rest of this later on. And here it is, decades later, they've made no progress. Except to take that one picture. And, but then, so many Indian people just hate Mount Rushmore. That's vandalism of our sacred mountain. It's like, no, the George Floyd mural in your neighborhood is a vandalism. Mount Rushmore is a work of genius art. I don't care about the subject matter. The craft, how in the world? I'm in awe. It's just like, I bet you Michelangelo did it. I bet you the Archangel Michael came to America and carved. That's my new theory.
You think the angel Michael carved Mount Rushmore?
Yep. I don't believe the history books. What? I'm not going to believe Columbus, but I'm going to believe everything else they say about America? Forget it. All right, kids, on BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO today, we will learn the truth of America. America was founded by Michelangelo in 1492, and he carved with his magic angel powers Mount Rushmore. And then they covered it up. It's a conspiracy. Okay. I visited Stone Mountain in Georgia when I was a kid. Another big, impressive carving on the side of a mountain. I had no idea as a kid that it was made by KKK members. That might have been made by the same guy. Is it like George Washington crossing the river? And it's sort of a relief? If that's the one I know about, there's like a relief carving on the side of a mountain. And I think it's of like George Washington crossing that river or something really crazy like that. And they say this KKK member was the guy, the greatest artist, I think it was from Poland or somewhere. But now I'm thinking, no, he probably didn't. It's probably not. It's probably just more of those fiction. If he was part of a secret society, like the Ku Klux Klan, he probably had a lot of power. Nobody wants to give us, oh yeah, the Freemasons, they're not doing anything. Well, what about the KKK? Yeah, that's a really evil secret organization. Well, it's the same people. If you're a bigwig name in the KKK secret society, you're also probably the Grand Master of the Freemasons or whatever. And so, yeah, when they were writing the fake history books, it was probably like, hey, give me credit for Mount Rushmore. I want the kids of the future to think I carved this. Me, the white supremacist. We are supreme. Sounds like a pizza. I'll take the white supremacist. White cheese. Give me the taco supreme. You got Indian tacos. Why can't you have a white taco supreme? Okay. La-di-da-di. Not Stonewall Jackson, Robert E. Lee, and some other guy, and Confederate leaders. Yeah, okay, that's right. I've seen that. And again, maybe those guys weren't worthy of art. But it's just like all the statues of Columbus and whoever, Robert E. Lee, the actual person who made the sculpture had talent. I can't make a sculpture that looks like a human being, let alone, somebody, whatever. Hey, Weesany, coming in with the Junia. Miigwech, Weesany. Thank you so much for your super chat. Weesany says, tacos. I got tacos in the brain. What time does Taco Bell open? Who am I asking? Michael, what time does Taco Bell open?
I have no idea. It's probably open 24 hours.
Can we go get tacos for breakfast?
No.
Come on. I want tacos, Taco Tuesday. Once I was a fool, dreaming my life away. And then yesterday I found you looking for me. So yeah, I don't know. What do you think, sweetie?
Do you think we should wrap it up and call it a show?
Yeah, if I could.
All right.
All right, you guys. Well, I just want to say once again, never forget how much we love you. This is so awesome that you guys stopped by just to hang out with us and listen to us make fools of ourselves. Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And Miigwech Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
This is Michael.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Kikawabamin. Minowa. Awa. All right, I don't think the soundtrack's going to glitch out today.
That's cool.
Huh, Michael.
Yeah.
So, we gonna do laundry today?
You know, it's sitting there right by the door, ready for us just to go to the laundromat. We do it first thing in the morning. We're probably the only ones in there.
We can just go in, take all the machines at once, and then get out.
Yep.
I think that's the plan for today.
Okay, it's gonna be laundry day.
Mark my words! Laundry will be done! Good time shall be had by all. Oh, hey! And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons.